everybody, it's Haley, and today I'm joined by Dani, and he's gonna help me make churros.
Yeah, let's get started. Let's make the chocolate sauce first.
We're making a Mexican chocolate sauce, right?
Yes, a Mexican chocolate sauce, some cayenne, some cinnamon, some
what do we put?
coffee. So first we're gonna add the chocolate chips.
Okay, so we've got 5 ounces of dark chocolate chips.
We're gonna add our heavy cream and our vanilla.
Vanilla.
Mini spatula.
It's because it has hearts on it. It's so cute. Oh, did I say that? We're making heart-shaped churros because it's Valentine's Day, like duh.
Of course.
But you can make these any shape you want, and you can make them anytime. The churros are the best, so you can eat them whenever you want.
Now we turn on stove. Medium heat.
Okay. Medium.
You don't want to scorch it. So we got cinnamon, paprika, some salt.
I thought it was cayenne.
Cayenne. Yeah, it's cinnamon, cayenne, and salt. Nice catch. So a little bit of spice in there.
So
Now we're gonna bloom our coffee. We add this.
Coffee.
Looks ready.
Oh, good. This smells so good.
I know, right?
I got the cinnamon and the spice.
Do you want to try it first?
Sure. You're gonna turn off the heat so you don't burn your chocolate. Ooh.
Got a steady flow like that. Once it drips
No.
like that is the perfect.
I see.
Oh, that's good.
Mmm.
You get that
I
kick
really
in the
like
back.
the cinnamon. That's so good.
And it doesn't need to be sweet because
The
you know,
churros.
the churro with
are
all
very
that
sweet.
sugar.
That's so good. Now we're gonna make the pâte choux.
Pâte choux. All right.
Churro dough.
You know more about this than I do.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Melt the butter.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna melt the butter with the water.
Medium.
Okay. Medium. Adding some salt, sugar, and vanilla. You're gonna bring it to a boil.
Haley,
I'm coming.
it's at a boil. All right. So now we turn off the heat,
Turn it
right?
off? Yeah. There, off. Adding in some flour.
All of it?
I think we're supposed to add in
Yes, chef.
while we stir. So, yeah. You gotta keep.
That looks so yummy.
We gotta keep stirring it because it's gonna be real pasty and weird. Make sure you mix in the flour really good. I've made churros one time before, and I don't even think I posted that video because I didn't like the way they turned out. I was trying to make the Disney churros, but I didn't have the right piping tip. It was way too small. It just did
Smells
not
so
go
good.
well. It actually does.
It looks so bad, but it smells so good.
It looks a little weird, but when you add the egg yolks, I think it'll look better.
All right. Now that we have a dough formed, we're gonna add the eggs one by one.
Yeah, so we've got 6 eggs and 2 egg yolks.
And you mix it in. Make sure it's really mixed in.
One at a time?
One at a time.
Oof.
It's gonna be so slow. Such a slow process.
Yeah, and it does not seem like it wants to mix, but we're gonna mix it in. Anyway.
Trust the process.
Yes, yeah. Actually, oh, I know, both the egg yolks. Okay. Careful. Ah! You could use this spatula to take that out. You're adding them in 2 at a time.
Blasphemy.
Okay, so the dough's ready now? Good? Ooh.
Yeah, I hope so.
You can also use a mixer for this, but we were just like, what's the point of making extra dishes? We can put extra love into it.
Yeah, put all the love you can. Also force it in there. If you can't
Just
mix
beat
it
it
in,
up.
just beat the love into it, you know?
All right, we've got our fryer set up.
Gonna fill the piping bag.
Yeah. So then we're putting their pâte choux dough into this piping bag fitted with a gigantic star tip, and we're gonna fry them. Then we're going to pipe out the hearts onto these little parchment squares so that they'll hold their shape and it's easier to put them in the fryer. I'm putting a little dab of dough underneath the parchment paper because I had a problem with the parchment like not staying on the pan. Once the oil is heated to 375 degrees, you can put the hearts in them upside down so that you can peel off the parchment. Then just cook these for a couple minutes on each side until they're golden brown and delicious. Look at them, they're so cute. The churros are perfect. They're so fluffy. This chocolate sauce is amazing.
That is so good. These are so good.
These are perfect. That's all I can say. Looks so light and fluffy.
Stop with that chocolate sauce.
Whoa. Mmm. The crunch.
Now I'm all messy.
They're messy
Yeah,
though.
they're really messy.
Well, thanks so much for baking with us today. I hope you enjoy these heart churros. I think these are a really cute dessert to make for Valentine's Day. And let me know in the comments what else you want to see me make. Don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And
We'll
I'll
see you next time.
Bye.